Still going to be watching this frontal boundary kick out some spotty severe thunderstorms, maybe even some locally heavy rain and flooding as well, kind of in the plains. We're also looking at some excessive heat shifting south as well. Yesterday was a pretty active day. We had a number of hail reports near Denver and places northeast of that. Some wind and even some tornado reports out near Omaha in the Central Plains, and then some wind reports as you got into the southern Great Lakes region. There were pockets of heavy rain yesterday. You can see some heavy rain in Green Bay and Milwaukee. Some 1 to 1.5 inch tallies. Chicago not picking up as much, but nice to see that the excessive heat will be ending, and then 1.39 inches of rain in Detroit there as well. So this is how much rain we've had so far this month. Very heavy rainfall as you got into northern Wisconsin with the washed out roads over the course of the weekend. Heavy rain south of Chicago there as well. And it was pretty hot south of the boundary at 90s from Milwaukee down into St. Louis, and there still are some excessive heat warnings in place for St. Louis with heat indices that could be topping out near 100 and also into the Ohio Valley. But north of that, it is much cooler than it was over the course of the weekend. There's your slight risk of severe weather today. Looking at maybe another marginal threat from Omaha to Kansas City on Wednesday and Thursday, just a general thunderstorm concern. But this area of low pressure slow moving, and that will help to kick out some very heavy rainfall. We're looking at some widespread 1 to 3+ inches there with some flood watches in place. But again, temperatures south of the boundary will be still very hot.